To solve a quadratic equation in standard form, use the quadratic formula. First, identify the values for a, b, and c as seen in the formula. A is the coefficient of the quadratic term, b is the coefficient of the linear term, and c is the constant term. In this equation, a is equal to -1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3. Plug in these values into the formula. So here we get 2 for b, and 2 again here for b. A is -1, and c is 3, and a is -1. Now we simplify. So this is -2, this is 4, -4 times -1 times 3 is positive 12. So it's 4 plus 12 under the square root sign, and in the denominator, -2. Simplifying further, we get -2 plus or minus the square root of 16 divided by -2. From here you can begin finding the roots. -2 plus 4 divided by -2, and here we get -2 minus 4 over -2. And finally we can find the roots. So -2 plus 4 is 2 divided by -2 is -1. And -2 minus 4 is -6 divided by -2 is a positive 3. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation.